Got a little time to repair my camera today. Not this lens, but this side here. So you got those scratches. I dropped it. So now it's time to repair it. Geared up because I don't want to be breathing in no glass particles while I'm cutting it. So, alright, so I'm gonna come on out here outside. Take this battery out. Put my memory card just in case. It's so hard to get to. Alright, let's commence the cutting. I've already got my Dremel set up. Makes me nervous. Man, you see how I ate that blade up? I think we ought to be able to pick it apart now. If not, we'll get another blade and keep cutting. Alright, now we back to the table. I think we're gonna have to break this all apart. It's gonna be messy. It's either this or tear up the outside of it. And I don't want to tear up the outside of the camera. Got some pretty good glue in there. Try not to scratch that main lens in there. Got it out. Go around and clean all this out. I could tell there's some dust, so I'm gonna get my air hose, clean all this debris out. I think we should be ready to put the other one in. Alright, I got a little air. I'm gonna try to clean all the little areas out here. I think we good. There's the lens there. And what I want to do is clean out the inside, make sure there's no dust inside of here. Let's go put some air in it. Alright, now I got a new towel down. Don't look like I touched the glass, so it looks pretty clean. I'll get out the way of the light. So I think I can just install the lens, but I think I'm gonna blow out the lens like I did this, so make sure there's no dust in there. go see. Alright, I've seen a lot of people online just drop fit it and say they can't get it out, but it'd be okay with me. I think it's time to see what we got here. Let's put it back together. Well, I guess we can make sure. Got a good picture first. Oh yeah, I think all we gotta do is seal it. That's pretty good. Alright, we like brand new. I use silicone to keep that lens in there, because if you use like a Gorilla Glue, that stuff will fog up the lens. So yeah, I think we're good. I can film again. This was my first 360 cam that I busted up, and I tried to use super glue, and it fogged up the lens on the inside, and it fogged up my replacement lens. So I know not to use that stuff anymore, and that's why I use the silicone. So I say all that to say sometimes you fail, but you fail to succeed. Now keep my cover on. I'll see y'all later.